All right, guys, so now we're going to test this handgun out. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're checking out a gel blaster handgun. So they give you a little manual, so make sure you refer to that. But oh, this is so cool. This is so cool, guys. Check that out. That is awesome. Love the graphics. On and off switch on the bottom. Hopper on the top for placing this. This gets full of your ammunition, and then you twist it on the top here and it feeds down through. You got side rails and a bottom rail for mounting. This is cool, guys. Death or glory. Very cool. So guys, here's the battery that they give you. They give you a charger, you got your bullets, resonator that you can stick on the end of the gun. So we'll mount that on there. And they give you this little sight. So kind of like, oh, is this just a fake? Oh, okay. So it's just a fake reservoir for ammunition. So you would take this piece off and put this on just to kind of make it look fake, or you can use this on the top of the piece that's already on there. But let's go ahead and test this out. And of course, guys, the battery goes underneath here, so you just twist this little pin and you put the battery inside there. Wow, it's hitting our garage way out there. Actually, it's going past it. Okay, this is definitely one of the better ones that I've ever reviewed because it's not jamming, it's just a straight shot fire. And we're now getting close to running out. Yep, this is definitely one of the better ones that I've ever reviewed, definitely in the top 10. And that's it, we ran out. Wow. It shoots far, it shoots accurate, and it doesn't jam. That's impressive. That's very impressive.